Hey guys, I'm back with another episode of our Passion Project series, and this is episode 7. So I appreciate you tuning in to watch the videos. Let's go build a wilderness fort. Ugh, gotta haul our tools into the jungle. For the tools for this video, we have loppers, an axe, a machete, and rope. The jungle's in my backyard. This is the area that I plan on living. More specifically, the area by the camera. There's a bunch of trees that I think are going to work to build a shelter. So the goal of this video is to build a livable structure that I can sleep in for one night. Some may call it a one-night stand. So before I can have a one-night stand with Mother Nature, I need to clear out this area. Some people may call it deforestation. I'm gonna call it clearing out this area. I cleared the area. Now I have a place to work. So these are the 4 trees that I planned on using. It's a really dead tree, so I'm planning on just breaking it. So I'm gonna run some boards like this. There, and then one strong one across there, and I'm gonna tie it together with the rope so I'm elevated off the ground so nothing can eat me. And then I'll do some boards in the middle. If I'm feeling fancy, I might do a little roof thing. So let's get to work. Timber.
I was about to say that.
This is tree number 2.
Got the bug spray.
Yes!
I'll spray myself down.
Spray me.
Huh.
Off, please sponsor this video.
Timber. Big tree too.
Do you want to introduce yourself to the camera?
Oh yeah, I am Lucy, the camera person always. Not always, but yeah. This is a YouTuber y'all all know. Troy knows.
The very famous.
But I'm his sister, favorite sister. Ah! Yeah. Y'all should know me by now. Are you kind of doing like a hammock?
Not a hammock, I'm going to do a platform in it. Pretend that didn't happen. I'm going to try my best to do a lash or lashing. I've never done one of these before that actually works. So let's just say I will try my best. The one knot that has never failed me is the granny knot. So that's what I'm going for.
Which is that?
Yes. We'll see how that works. The progress so far.
Yeah.
So I got the main supports almost tied in. I need to tie this last one in, but you see the structure now, so you can lay like this. That was my awesome lashing skills. Need to tie it to this tree to add another support. Stupid mosquitoes. So far I'm curious if the platform's gonna hold me at this point before I add sticks. I'm going to test it.
Oh Lord.
I don't know how to get up on this thing just yet. Alright, pretty impressed with that. It's getting quite dark now. We're in the middle of the jungle. No food. Only mosquitoes. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna try and chop up some smaller logs, not as big as that one, and lay a bunch of boards to lay on. So far, this is the platform.
Looks pretty sturdy to me.
It's looking good. We need some medium-sized pieces right here, one big one,
Tiny pieces.
some tiny pieces, and then we'll be all filled up. Hey guys, we made a fort. Currently on our platform, passes the strength test. Now we have to weatherproof it. All right, let's just say we did some work here. So here's the setup. We got a nice cushiony leaf platform where in the daytime you could stand up, or at night you could get away from the bugs. But where we live, it rains a lot. So if it rains, it's a 2-in-1 shelter. That's the roof, and you lay at the bottom, and it's pretty cozy. Watch, I'll get in. Pretty cozy shelter down here too. You'd definitely be safe from rain. And just to test that, we're gonna do the rain test. We are here to do the water test. There's a leaf right there. Okay, here we go.
Leaves on top.
So that was a pretty big rainstorm.
It's only falling off the edges right there.
Is it in the middle?
No.
Okay, hold on. We'll add some more.
Oh yeah, no.
What?
Now there is.
Okay, well, we'll just pretend it won't rain. Okay. I think you would be pretty dry in that.
Yeah, all you need is a little tarp to go over it.
That's all you need. So,
Or a sleeping bag.
thanks for watching, guys. In the next episode, episode 8, I will be sleeping in this fort. So,
this beautiful, luscious thing that we just made out of our woods.
hands.
Yeah.
So let's just hope that in the next video it won't rain.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. Tune in the next episode, like and subscribe.
Bye.